Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands, back on the boat upholstery. Now, you got the video on how to do the bench. We use the same process to make these nice seat covers. Now, the back of the seat is interesting the way it attaches. It's got these two twist lock fasteners here, and we have to put those female portions into here. So we pulled this up and we made a mark where to put it. So we're going to show you the tools we bought and how you're going to do this. First thing we're going to do is get this off. Which comes off real easy. And we're going to show you how we're going to, where we mark this, put those on. So we went to Amazon and used the Amazon links to shop. Does help support the channel. We bought this. When you look at this online, you're thinking, wow, that's pretty nice. Nice metal holder and everything. This part is plastic. These pieces are metal. There are tools out there where the whole thing is metal. It's easier to hold. This is a little harder to use, and if you hold it like this and hit it with a hammer, you're going to pinch your fingers. So you do need to be careful. So let's get set up and show you how we're going to use this with a dead blow hammer. Here's our hammer, an older one, but still works. So since we marked this, we put a piece of paper down because we don't want to punch holes in our bench. Since we marked this, we can lay it down like this. And the beauty here is we got the mark that's long here. And we can set this over and you can look through the hole in the tool. Look through that hole in the tool. Line it up. Square it up the way you want. That's beautiful right there. I'm going to bring it right to the edge here. And you can kind of hit this. You can kind of feel it as it goes. Hit it a few times. Make sure you don't get your fingers under there. You will get pinched. And you can see that took out a really nice, well, didn't cut it all the way around. Got a little spot there to pull off. It says go through one at a time, but the way it's sewed, we can't. So from there, we've got the hole. Now, we've got these that we also got on Amazon. Basically, the way this works is it's got this piece here, and this piece goes over. Now, this piece has some ribs in it. You can see those ribs there. You want to make sure you put it with the ribbed side down towards the fabric. So now we know that this is up around this way. So this goes on the, this is the front side. So it goes this way. So we know that. We'll turn this over. And we can put this down on the edge of the paper here. And we can put this, you gotta make sure these are the right way. So there you go. So you can see how that's on there. Now we're going to take a screwdriver and we're going to hold this down and we're going to take a screwdriver and push these little blades over. And here, maybe you can see this one the best. See the little blade there? We're just going to push it over into here. And that bending force kind of closes this thing up. Go around and do all four. And then once they're down like that, take your hammer. Make sure they're down good so there's no sharp edges. And there you go. It's in there. Next, we'll go put this on the seat. We'll be back in a few minutes on that, but we're going to do the other side real quick. So we got them both done. Same sort of deal. Line this up, square it up. Not hitting it real hard. Don't do that on your fiberglass boat. Mark them, take them off, then do them. We'll see what we got here now. It looks like we got a hole that time. The whole thing came out. So now it's a matter of getting another one of these out. Pushing this piece through here. Turning it over. Getting our other piece on there. sure you're the right way. Turn this around so it's easier. And again, as you bring these over, it kind of pulls it all together. That one doesn't go by a lot because the material's real thick where that one's at. I'm going to come on here and tap this again a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's that side and that side. Let's go put it on the seat. So the way this works on our seat is this kind of goes through here this way. It can come down this way. These two snaps snap here. Snap here. There we go. This flips over this way. This comes around on the back and goes up this way and goes on these handy hooks. And I'll show you this here in a second. Down. Yeah. There you go. That's all done. And our seat looks extremely nice now. Easy. Well, there we are, sitting in our seat. Boy, it's much more comfortable. I don't bottom out anymore on this one. That new foam you saw in the other video worked great. So this tool from Amazon, these fasteners from Amazon, fix this problem. Yes, I got a lot of these left over, but the reality is I have a whole bunch of other projects for these, so that's why I got it. I don't do too many of them, so I bought the cheap tool. There's a tool that is like $20 more. Links will be in the description. It's easier to hold and hit. It's all metal, and you can replace the parts if they wear out. This one is strictly when it's broke, it's done. But this should last me long enough, as I don't do this professionally. There is a hand tool you can buy. I'll put a link to that one too, but that one is quite expensive, and it's more for somebody who's going to do hundreds of these. So we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We appreciate you watching. Use the Amazon links to shop. It does help support the channel. More great boat how-tos, house how-tos, everything coming to you to save money at home. See you soon.